Did you know that testosterone is actually the most abundant sex hormone in a woman's body by concentration? By age 40, you have likely lost 50% of your natural levels. So if you are feeling flat, foggy, or exhausted, the reason is simple: the decreased testosterone level. Normal levels for women typically range between 15 to 70 nanograms per deciliter, though these dip naturally as we age. While men have much higher levels, women rely on this hormone for bone strength, muscle mass, and even cognitive focus. So if your levels are too high, you might notice symptoms like adult acne, thinning scalp hair, or irregular cycles. On the flip side, low testosterone often feels like a flat mood, unexplained fatigue, and total loss of libido. Now the fix. So, to support your levels naturally, focus on strength training and eating enough zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds and lean proteins. And one more important thing is getting your testosterone levels tested regularly. This was all. Thanks for watching.